A Day Trading Guide. Chapter 1. Day Trading. Day Trader Info. Study the stocks before you start day trading. Some people are lured by the easy money promises of ads that claim to teach you to be a successful day trader. They claim you can quit your job and simply live off day trading, which is not really true because of the element of risk and luck involved. What happens when the entire stock market tanks for a year or two at a time? The heart of day trading is to look for stocks that are going up in price rapidly for one reason or another. It doesn't matter what the reason is, but you want to catch the wave, so you buy it and hold onto it anywhere from a few minutes to a few weeks, then sell. I've seen several day traders say this. They are sitting around looking for any stock to start going up in price. They don't care why. It's basic psychology. It's all about the emotion of hope to make a lot of money fast. In the short term, this drives the market. They call this momentum. They get in on it near the beginning, then watch it for a while. They might sell in a few hours, a few days, or in a few weeks. Day by day, this is how the market operates. In the long term, it comes down to how good is the company really away from the hype? Does it have good sales? Is it making money? Is it overvalued? The commission fee you pay to either buy or sell a stock goes from about $8 to $25. This is cheap enough for you to mess around with stocks. Create profits quickly by guessing correctly which way a stock will move quickly. If you think the stock will go down, short sell the stock, which is to pay for the right to sell X shares of that stock at its price today. The average day trader makes 30 trades or 15 round trips per day, the buying and selling of 15 stocks. There is simulator stock market game software around where you pretend to play the stock market. Open a brokerage account with a direct access trading firm that offers real-time trading. There is a difference between DAT firms and regular online brokers like Ameritrade and E-Trade that do not allow regular customers to post orders directly to the markets. A DAT account allows you to trade directly into the market. Direct access brokers are subject to SEC and NASD regulations. They ask questions about your net worth, then decide what kind of margin, temporary loan, they will give you, if any at all. The NASD requires day traders to maintain a minimum of $25,000 in their account in order to trade. Decide whether to trade at home or at the brokerage firm's facility. The brokerage company sets you up with trading software, analytical tools, and a live quote feed for a monthly fee. Scalping is the practice of scheming profits from tiny movements in price. You make hundreds of trades to make money. Momentum trading is riding a stock up or down in response to some event like its quarterly earnings report. In its pure spirit, day trading is simply to look for rapid upward movement in a stock. You don't care why. What it means is that for one reason or another, a lot of people are buying that stock, so its price goes up. As a day trader, you will buy too, watch it anywhere from 5 minutes to 3 weeks, and somewhere during that time, sell for a profit. That's the whole game right there. You don't care why the stock is going up, unlike long-term investors looking for a stable company. You just want to make a quick move, then get out with a profit. There are also ways to make money when stocks go down in price by short selling, as discussed elsewhere. Some people want to make money fast, and the way to do this is via day trading stocks and getting into stock options. It's also a way to lose money fast. Very generally, the trend is to buy a stock, watch it religiously in real time, usually over the internet, and when it gains a few bucks, sell it to make your little profit, and do this all the time with different stocks. A simple way to day trade for the short term is to buy your stock and put both buy and sell orders in if and when the stock gains or loses $5, thus either making some quick cash or limiting a possible downturn very quickly. What I generally do is either watch PBS's nightly report or do some research on the internet to find the few high gainers of the day, then buy them immediately and watch them for a few days, or I will get Barron's list of the weekly winners and check them out. Fool.com has a daily UPS and downs summary. Just watch their big movers and you know you got winners, although you don't know for how long. One good tip from one of their guests is all you need. There's a concept called channeling or rolling stocks, which means that many companies, even the best ones, often go up and down all the time a little bit, so you buy a good company stock, watch it go up for a week or two, then sell and wait until it goes down again, then when it starts to rise, buy it, wait a few weeks, then sell it again. Of course, you could lose. That's the risk you take. Some people watch the news. When there's a report of one bad company, others in that sector often drop temporarily, so you buy them when they're down and sell them when they rise. With the advent of online trading, a person can sit at home with his computer, go through the ticker, buy a stock and sell it an hour later to cash out for a gain or take a loss. This is no different than gambling at a casino, because there's no long-term investment strategy, just a quick game. Many people do this as their full-time preoccupations. Is it good or bad? Who's to judge except that it is addicting? You can do it too. Get an account with an online brokerage, try to get some margin leverage and start sending them emails for deals, but beware of complaints of busy signals at many brokerages, so your order is often not processed quickly enough. There are electronic day trading firms springing up where you join them, then go online in real time, process your own transaction when you buy and sell. Apparently, a bunch of gambling types tried this and got smacked, while the only real winner was the company, which collects $15 to $50 per trade regardless of whether the player wins or loses. Obviously, the regular brokerages hate this, but it is the wave of the future. You could get wiped out if you risk too much. You should put out stop-loss orders to sell automatically if the stock drops 20% below what you paid for it. Day trading comes down to one thing: the stock is going up in price for any of a number of reasons, which means more people are buying it, which drives up the price. Learn from your losses. Cut your losses. Sell a stock that's losing money. Keep your trading philosophy simple. Sometimes no action is the best action. Don't go for grand slams. Be happy with base hits. Be cautious. Early in the day is for amateurs. The pros don't usually buy until later in the day. When in doubt, get out for the moment. When you have a reasonable profit, take it and run. Protect your balance at all times. Never go too crazy on one stock. Set a loss automatic sell level for yourself and stick by it. If your stock goes down by X dollars, sell no matter what. Stock options are another big day trading phenomena. Refer to the options section. Day traders end up paying a lot of taxes. Try number 332.602 to number 332.642 or HG 4515 at the library for books about day trading and electronic investing. Day trader brokerages. 1800daytrade.com, abwatley.com, accutrade.com, 800-494-8939, attain.com, broadwayconsulting.com, broadwaytrading.com, castleonline.com, 800-661-5133, datech.com, 888-GO-DATECH, daylighttrading.com, day-trade.com, dinasecurities.com, dbc.com, dtrade.com, dtrades.com, edgetrade.com, elitetrader.com, etrade.com, 800-etrade1, fcnis.com, 888-thenet2, firstrata.com, getmarketwise.com, grotrader.com, investin.com, brokerage, invstrad.com, lindwaldock.com, 800-445-2000, futures, marketwise.com, maxtrading.com, mbtrading.com, mydiscountbroker.com, navilis.com, nextrend.com, onlinetradinginc.com, onsitrading.com, pfgbest.com, 800-759-0062, pitonline.com, Premier Internet Trading, preferredtrade.com, 888-889-9178, low price, pristine.com. protrader.com, remotraders.com, rttrading.com, schwab.com, 800-435-4000, selftrading.com, siliconinvestor.com, soz.com, stocktrade.net, surreytrade.com, randusa.com, 800-842 rand, futures, tdwaterhouse.com, 800-934-4410, theexecutioner.com, tradeptn.com, trendtrader.com, webstereetsecurities.com, 800-wetrade, wsaccess.com, expresstrade.com, 800-947-6228, futures, zapfutures.com, 800-441-1616, futures, day trading education, broadwaytrading.com, Nasdaq executions for day traders, brokerage, cybercorp.com, real-time quotes, day trader merchandise, daytradermerc.com, merchandise for day traders, daytraders.org, chat room for professional stock traders, daytraders.com, daytrading.net, daytrading.org, daytradingstocks.com, daytrading learning center, elitetrader.com, online training course, links to brokerage, software, books, mtrader.com, day trading chat room, nasdaq.com, investment lesson on the website, nasdaqtrader.com, onlinedaytraders.com, onlinetradingacademy.com, optimark.com, phactor.com, day trading tools, polartrading.com, internet-based training, rttrading.com, sceptretrading.com, 214-826-2466, tradingchool.com, traintotrade.com, winningdaytraders.com, worldwidetraders.com, day traders of Orange County, trading ideas, zeus-holdings.com, stock trading resources, Electronic Traders Association, 1800 Bearing, number 750, Houston, Texas 77057, 713-706-3300, fax 713-977-7975, electronic-traders.org, Pristine Day Trader, 7-11 S Broadway, number 210, White Plains, New York 10601, 800-340-6477, fax 914-682-7640, pristine.com, seminars for day traders, Sagamore Trading Group, 1446 Old Northern Boulevard, Roslyn, New York 11576, 888-773-9306, learn2trade.com, Traders Edge, 27 West Beaver Creek Road, Richmond Hill, on L4B1M8, Canada, tradersge.com, tradersge.net, trading software, abwatli.com, atfi.com, attain.com, broadwaytrading.com, equus.com, kazanjianresearch.com, 888-220-9789, marketedge.com, marketradar.com, netfutures.com, nextrend.com, omegaresearch.com, onsitetrating.com, qcharts.com, quote.com,